Welcome artists, and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to learn how to draw our symmetrical cicadas. You're going to begin by holding your paper vertically, which is straight up and down. You're going to take the left side of your paper and fold it in towards the right side and match up the corners. You're going to want to crease the paper nice and crisp on the left-hand side, going over it a few times. Once you've done that, you're going to see that the fold is on the left-hand side of the paper. You're now going to need to work with your oil pastel to begin creating our symmetrical cicada. You're going to make a dot 3 fingers down from the top of the paper and begin by drawing the head with a big sideways U that goes back and touches the edge of the paper. Now you're going to make the thorax, and it's going to also be a sideways U or a curved line that goes around. To make the abdomen, you're going to start with a vertical line that curves down to the center crease of the paper. Now we're going to begin with the eye, which is a big oval on the right side of the head. We're going to add a smaller circle to show the pupil of the eye. Once we've done that, we can start by drawing our legs. Remember, insects have 6 legs. So the first leg is going to be a rectangle that points up. The middle leg is going to be a rectangle that points to the middle. And the bottom one is going to be a rectangle that points down. We're going to add 2 more rectangles onto each of the legs, a medium-sized one, and the last one is going to be a smaller one up top. Now this is where the magic happens. We're going to unfold our paper so that that crease is pointing up. Now what we're going to want to do is fold it back so that the paper is being folded the opposite way along the crease, and your oil pastel is now facing the inside, kind of like a closed book. You're going to take your popsicle stick and you're going to rub your popsicle stick all over this drawing, and that's going to make what we call a transfer. Make sure you're pressing hard so that the oil pastel transfers from one side to the next. Once you've done that, open up your paper and it's magic. You're going to see that your oil pastel has transferred and you have made a symmetrical cicada. That fold now represents your line of symmetry. You're going to take your oil pastel and go over all of those transfer lines. If for some reason a line did not transfer, you can simply fold your paper back in half again, use your popsicle stick, and press so that the transfer happens in that spot. We're going to continue making our symmetrical cicada by creating designs that go across the entire body, the thorax, and the abdomen. I'm going to start with a curved line, and then maybe I'm going to make some upside down U's. Remember, what you do on one side of the line of symmetry, you need to do on the other side of the line of symmetry. Your cicada does not need to look like mine. When you design it, you can do your own designs. Think about different types of lines that we've used. Bumpy lines, straight lines, angled lines. You could add zigzags or circles. You're going to divide up your body into different parts so that you can go and add these designs. Once you have finished, you will know because your designs will be in those segments and you've filled up the entire page with your cicada. Great job.